This place has people raving about the food, but others say they getting hit with surprise charges and disappointing service. Is the jerk salmon pasta worth the risk? Yeah, let's find out.
All right, peeps. This is day 4 of the Jamaica Independence Food Week, and I'm out here in Mableton, Georgia at Jamaican Jerk Biz. You know what I'm saying? I just grabbed the salmon, the jerk salmon roster pasta. Seemed like that's all I've been getting all week, huh? Yeah, but yo, this looks good. It smells good. Let me show it to you one quick time, and then we're about to get to it. See that? So peeps, no more long talking. Let's get the munching. I'm gonna try this pasta first. The pasta is definitely flavored up and seasoned up. Oh man. Oh man. Yeah. All these little sprinklings of this and that on the pasta. Got the pasta all the way up. The pasta booming. Just move on to the salmon. Salmon kind of thick too. I started breaking it up a little bit, but look. Look how thick that salmon is. Look at that. See the swimmers? See it swimming? That's a nice piece too. You only get one, but it's all right though. From tasting the pasta, I can automatically know that the salmon is about to be blazing. Salmon nice. It's not overly flavored. I could still taste the flavor of the fish. The outside is crispy, like it been fried on the outside or something. You know what I mean? Delicious. Totally delicious. And pigs. The stuff that I read online, right? About them sticking gratuities to you is definitely an actual fact. They hit me with that, but I was already prepared. So I asked the girl at the register, I was like, yo, what's up with the, well, I came up to like $30-something. How much is the roster pasta? As a matter of fact, I forgot to tell you that too, right? So the roster pasta is $25. So I'm trying to figure how I come to 30-something. So that's when she was like, yeah, gratuities. I said, for what? So she said she don't even know. She just showed me the bottom of the menu where it says gratuities is a must. You know what I'm saying? So the next brethren came over, got to big him up too. Rico, one love. So he came over, sorted the situation out, and instead of the gratuities, we just swapped out the gratuities for this sorrel ginger right here. So I was good with that. I don't mind paying a little extra money as long as I'm getting something for it. You hit me with gratuities that I ain't, for what? Like, yeah, that's crazy. So let's get back to this though. Let's get back to this. Out of all the roster pastas I done tasted all week, jerking things and jerk vibes, they was neck and neck. Now today, over here at Jamaican Jerk Biz, all three of them is fighting this out. It's a 3-way fight. We're gonna see how this play out tomorrow at the next restaurant. But right now, I'm gonna tell you this. Jerk Biz, the Mableton location, this food is definitely worth that drive. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. And all the little problems, like I said, the gratuities and all that, yeah, just talk to them. They'll probably help you out. They got good customer service over there. They got indoor and outdoor seating. I was gonna shoot the video out there outside, but the reason I didn't, because I walked out there and the outdoor setting is not clean, like the cushions and all that. So I ain't really want to sit out there because it's a little dusty, you know what I mean? So with that, only thing they got to do is clean that up and get that ready for people to sit outside, and it's dope. The inside is blazing. Yo, the inside got a buzz, a crazy buzz. So yeah, Jamaica Jerk Biz, Mableton, Georgia. Definitely got to pull up to that one. Trust me. So with that being said, I'm gonna hit this one more time and I'm gonna give you a number. Pasta is blazing. Peeps, I don't even want to stop eating, but I gotta slow this down, give you this number so I can get you in and get you out. I appreciate you watching the video, you know what I'm saying? And if you made it this far, big up yourself. Thanks for the support. So yo, the pasta is all the way live. Like I said, the fish is delicious also. This one gets a 9.5, peeps. That's a fact, 9.5. And since it got a high score like that, you already know what's coming next, right? Do I really gotta tell them? Yo, Jamaica Jerk Biz in Mableton, Georgia? Yeah, you Asa Don Approved. That's a fact. So peeps, if you like videos like this, with me running around, finding these spots so you don't have to, you know what I mean? Like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss none of these videos, especially this Jamaica Independence Food Week. You know what I'm saying? This is day 4, you know what I mean? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you tomorrow on day 5.